Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view a one-time photo in WhatsApp again. So let's get started. So important notice is that one-time photos in WhatsApp are meant to self-destruct after being opened, and WhatsApp does not allow you to view them again for privacy and security. But there are a few methods how you can view that again. First is asking the sender to resend. So you're going to open the chat and politely ask the sender to send the photo again. They can resend as regular media instead of one time, which is the safest and official way. Or you can take a screenshot or screen recording before opening, but WhatsApp notifies the sender if you take a screenshot of disappearing photos. And screenshots of one-time photos are detected in some Android and iOS versions, and WhatsApp will block them automatically. So the best method is asking the sender to send as regular image instead of view once. This way you can view and save multiple times. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.